Today we're gonna do a smoked, sous vide, and then seared picanha. We are Chadless today. Donnie's gonna be in the action.
All right, let's get her done. Cheers.
Cheers.
Basement.
So we've got the Recteq on extreme smoke. This is the old girl. She's probably at least 10 years old, I think. So she's smoking nice with some pecan pellets.
Get that lovely smell going too.
So this is from a 2-pack from Costco. She's been sitting salted for about an hour and a half. She's a honker.
Yeah.
You want to kiss it, Donnie?
There we go.
So we're thinking about 30 minutes smoke, then we're gonna hit the sous vide, and then we're gonna hit it on the sear on the rotisserie, which is already spinning, getting ready. Thanks for hanging out. "42 minutes in, almost 43 minutes. Kiss of smoke is what we wanted. Oh yeah. Here's 2 for every tongue in case she's heavy. And we're gonna get right here on this cutting board.
These things are the best.
I finally found my second one.
Where was it?
Out here, I left it here one night and found it finally.
Okay.
It smells real good.
Oh man, that does smell good.
I like it a lot.
Put it right there.
All right, let's bring this baby in. I'll hold this for you.
All right, thank you, good sir. Get a little rain on it since it's raining.
So we're gonna stick the trusty meter somewhere in the middle, kinda, you know. Kinda hit it like this. Supposedly gives a good flavor in the bag, I don't know. All right, hit that sucker. Power this bad boy up. So it's pronounced Tiffior.
Is it?
No, I don't know. Let's put 115. Nice little hook.
We'll let it cook for 2 hours. Get the rotisserie going, get that set up. Then we'll add a nice little charcoal flavor to it.
Then we'll grub. Cheers, sir.
No, thank you, good sir. Cheers again.
This is the easiest way to light the charcoal. We're gonna get this baby super hot, take it off the sous vide, kiss her with the charcoal, finish her off.
How long are we gonna leave her on the rotisserie for?
So it's gonna be all about temperature. We don't want to burn her, but we want to crisp her up. Like a nice sear. We want like 600, 700 degrees. It'll happen quicker than you expect. So I forgot about this before, went inside, came out 45, 60 minutes later, and the lid was literally like, oh, because it was so freaking hot. It was, hey. And then I opened it and a fireball hit my stomach. But thank God I was wearing clothes. So, like it went, we'll throw a piece of hickory on it for sure.
Yeah, I wonder how it's gonna taste.
You can't be wrong, as long as we don't burn it.
Did you use salt flakes or
I
salt
used
pellets?
this, which is the Himalayan from Costco. The black pieces are Mexican smoked salt. I recommend the Kamado Joe because it's like 1/3 the price of green egg. I was looking at green eggs and my wife's like, no. So I found this during COVID. I used to have a Weber kettle like Donnie, which I love. I still have it around the corner, but this is a beautiful piece of machinery. This is Series 1, the original Big Joe. The Series 3, it's about this much deeper. So it'll be about this much taller. And you can actually they have more grids and racks you can put down in. But it's like $2,500 more for this much extra grill space. So this, if you let go here, it'll stop. On the new one, this one will slam down. But for $2,500, it's not worth it in my opinion. And the new ones come with a slow roller, which is like a student from Harvard designed it for like a project and then Kamado Joe bought it. It's kind of like this, because you have so much space down there, it makes the smoke go like this and then around your meat. But if you get over 450 degrees, it also melts. But I would highly recommend Kamado Joe.
All right, we'll see you back in a few minutes.
Let's do it. All right, so it's been 2.5 hours. Sous vide's taking longer than we expected. We could have cut the steak, we didn't want to.
Size does matter, right?
Size does matter, yeah, obviously. We proved it tonight. So we thought it was gonna be about an hour and a half, 2 hours. And it does not look gray because we smoked it. A lot of garlic. It's gonna be very garlicky, which I think I like. It's hard to get open, Donnie. There we go. It smells good. Yeah, it smells good. Garlicky as hell.
Oh man, that smoke flavor.
Right? Yeah, the
Jesus.
smoke stays. So now we're gonna cut it up into some pieces, put it on the rotisserie. So see how fat this one is, we're gonna test that, but yeah, so it's good. We're gonna do a rotisserie with nice hot fire.
Yeah. I mean, it looks good already.
So let's check the grill here. So we're at 400, I'm gonna open her back up. So a nice big chunk of American hickory from Walmart. The spiking's always interesting, so we'll put one of these in the bottom first.
Oh, look at that.
This is the Kamado Joe 3rd level.
Perfect.
Oh, look at that hemoglobin. Yeah, I think this will be good. Oh my gosh, super sexy. This is nice. It's holding it. Whoa! Don't it? Good catch. You're gonna have to hold it, dude. Just lick your fingers, man.
You know, the first time we don't wear gloves.
Yeah, I know. I don't know why I didn't wear gloves either.
Oh my God.
Super sexy. All right, open that lid for me, Hill. Oh my God, she's dripping.
Look how juicy those things are, though,
Yeah,
dude.
it's juicy as hell. I guess that's sous vide effect or what? Just gotta drop her. Yeah, she's looking all right.
Oh, it went the other direction now.
Yeah, so it switches. That's the nice thing about the Kamado Joe JoeTisserie.
So is that the juiciest picanha that you
That's the juiciest
played
I've
with so
ever
far?
touched, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells amazing.
I think it's the sous vide effect.
It's
That's
gotta
why
be the
it's
sous
so
vide.
freaking juicy, dude.
Is it sous vide or sous vide?
I don't know. Sous vide?
Sous vide? I don't know. Whatever that is, it's amazing. It's super juicy. I've been christened. God, so juicy. Oh, yeah.
Get a good whiff of that, buddy.
Okay, meters telling us we're at town.
Juices that are flowing off.
Yeah, she's looking great.
Burning.
So we're gonna slice some. Man, it feels super tender. My knife has never felt this sharp, to be honest. I can tell you right now it's gonna melt in your mouth.
Well, that's gonna be a good piece right there.
Yeah, that's the good fat. Man, it's slicing like butter. Why don't you try a piece, Tony?
Man, it smells so good. That piece is really soft.
Oh yeah, we're on to something. You might have cracked the code. That's heavenly.
Oh my God.
All right, let's flame through this baby. Oh yeah. I don't know how to do this any better because this is amazing. Oh my God, it smells so good.
Look at that.
Yeah, it smells amazing. This is why picanha is king. This is amazing. I'd eat this 7 days a week. We've got to use all our toys. I'll do this again tomorrow night. If you can come over, please do. If I'm ever in jail, like on death row, this is my last meal. And then something they got to go like far away to get to make them work, you know.
Oh, they're not gonna do that, dude.
No, they have to. I think it's a rule.
You'll have to come to us and tell us like, hey, I'm in jail. I'm on my, death
True.
row. Cook me something, and then we'll cook you a whole feast.
Thank you. Chad, we miss you. We're so sorry you're not here, but you're on a beach somewhere drinking a cold drink. We'll see you next time. Basement Hangout.
We out.